Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make this yummy Nigerian pancakes or crepes in 10 minutes. It's so nice, quick and easy, and something you can quickly whip up in no time. I make it almost all the time because my family love it. Let's get started. To a bowl, add 1 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix this properly. Give it a very proper mix. Make sure everything is well incorporated. In a separate bowl, crack in 2 eggs. Mix it properly and go in with 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Give it a very good mix. Go in with 3/4 cup of milk and 1/2 cup of water and mix properly. Next, gently pour in all the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Go ahead and add in some chopped Scotch bonnet pepper and some chopped onions and give it a very good mix. You're going to mix this properly till everything is well combined. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for your support. Your batter should look like this, runny like this. This is ready in no time. If you want something quick and nice at the same time, please try this. You're going to love it. Go ahead and grease your pan properly. Make sure the oil touches everywhere. Then go in with your liquid batter. You're going to spread it all out so it's thinly spread. And you're going to let it cook on each side. Let it fry on each side for about 2 minutes. When it's done, just take it out. Growing up, I used to remember my elder sister made this for us often and we loved it so much. And now I make it often for my kids, for my family, and the result is still the same. We all love it. It takes just very minimal ingredients and it's so great and it's so tasty. Just spread it all out like this till it's all thinly spread, and you're just going to repeat the process with the rest of the batter till you've exhausted all the liquid batter. So just flip and let the other side fry, and when it's done, just take it out. Here we have it. Our crepes, our Nigerian, African pancakes are all ready now and it's time to eat. At this point, my kids at the background, they couldn't wait. They were all like, mommy, it's all ready, now give it to us. Guys, this was so good. You can have this with some tea or juice or whatever you like. You can even have it like stuffed with some sauce or something, and you're going to definitely love it. Guys, at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.